Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel. The best online income opportunities for 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. Most only need an internet-connected computer or mobile device. These ways of making money let you work independently from the convenience of your home and have little to no startup costs. It's understandable why more people are looking for online income opportunities given all of these advantages and the expansion of e-commerce brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. Hopefully, watching this video will teach you how to make money online. 8. Fill out online surveys. The paid surveys section of the Swagbucks website statistical analysis. You can make extra money by completing online surveys in your spare time, despite the fact that it might sound too good to be true. For general market research and consumer behavior analysis, many businesses pay people to take surveys. These polls aid businesses in making decisions regarding the launch of new products and the placement of advertisements. But not everyone is adept at completing online surveys. For instance, some surveys only collect data from members of particular demographics, such as people who fit a particular gender, age, or occupation. With a certain earnings threshold, the majority of survey sites offer relatively low pay. You might earn 50 cents to $3 per survey, for instance. However, you won't be able to cash out until you have made a total of $10 to $25 in earnings. These factors make survey-based online income unsustainable over the long term. Here are some well-liked survey sites, if the potential drawbacks don't bother you. Swagbucks. Earn points by watching videos, participating in games, and taking online surveys. Then exchange them for money or gift cards. By taking part in brand surveys, you can help them deliver better goods and services. Online Harris Poll. By responding to surveys run by the survey platform, you can join a rewards program. Quick rewards. Earn money through PayPal by playing games, watching videos, completing offers, completing surveys, or doing online shopping. There is no minimum withdrawal requirement. 7. Examine games and apps. The video game market was worth $178.73 billion in 2021, up 14.4% from 2020. Players are required to complete specific tasks and gather in-game currency rewards in some applications, such as Missed Play. You can exchange these rewards for gift cards or actual cash. Playing video games prior to their official release is compensated through the global beta test network by Keyword Studios. Giving is one of many online games that award real money prizes. 6. Evaluate websites and offer comments. Home page statistics for the user testing website. Consider working as a website tester if you have a sharp eye for website design and development. It's a fantastic way to earn money quickly and get involved in the web development field. Payments are typically project-based, and rates vary depending on the testing techniques and platform policy. User testing, for instance, charges $4 to $120 per test. Website testers who take part in live client interviews are compensated more. Here are a few additional online markets where people can earn money by working on website testing projects. Uber Testers. A service that crowdsources testing of games, apps, and websites. UserBrain. A web-based tool for testing the usability of digital product prototypes, such as websites. Testbirds. User experience testing for digital goods, such as fitness trackers, mobile apps, and e-commerce websites. Trimata. Carries out usability tests for websites and mobile apps using recorded videos and written feedback based on surveys. 5. The Market Force websites page for becoming a customer method statistics. Users only need to register once for setup to take a few minutes. Age limit, 18 and up. Time of payment, each company may pay once or twice per month. A great way to earn extra money if you enjoy shopping is to work as a mystery shopper. You can work remotely on some mystery shopping projects. Some jobs, for instance, test the effectiveness of call centers or assess the shopping experience at an online retailer. Here are a few of the most well-known businesses where anyone can register to work as a mystery shopper. Market Power obtain employment at supermarkets, eateries, pharmacies, and even gas station convenience stores to test out their goods and services. Bestmark. To assist businesses in enhancing their business operations, work as a field representative or assessor. Mystery Shopper performs phone or in-person service reviews for businesses all over the world. The amount of compensation for mystery shoppers varies by firm. You can receive vouchers and gift cards, Get paid between $10 and $25 on average for each job you complete, or you can get reimbursed for the things you bought. 4. The Sell Secondhand Items page of the ThredUp website method stats. Users must register on the website, take product images, and create product listings throughout the setup process, which takes at least a few hours. Another wonderful option to make money is to sell or rent out used stuff, which is a terrific incentive to start cleaning up your area. Selling second-hand goods might also help you save money because you are only getting rid of things you already own. Before putting your things on online marketplaces, take high-quality product images after inventorying the items you wish to sell. Consider creating a website to house your own online store if you intend to do this over the long run. Clothing is one of the most well-liked subcategories of used goods. By 2026, it is expected that the second-hand apparel market would be worth $77 billion. So this is an excellent moment to open your own second-hand clothing store. Etsy is a great place to sell vintage or handmade items that are unique. Depop, a well-liked marketplace for the resale of vintage and designer items like jewelry, sneakers, and used t-shirts. You can make good money online by selling other used items besides clothing and accessories, like furniture, technology, sporting goods, and cars. The used car market in the United States saw significant growth in 2021, and it is anticipated that this growth will continue in 2023. eBay, Gadget Salvation, Swap.com, Reverb, and Fatllama are some of the top online marketplaces for used goods. 3. Sell copies of their course notes. Age requirement, 13 plus to 18 plus, varies between websites setup time, minutes to hours, depending on how many notes you're uploading. Time of payment, varies depending on the site, monthly, upon request, or whenever you have enough credits to cash out. One of the simplest ways for students to quickly earn money is to sell copies of their course notes. Make sure, though, that selling your school notes won't amount to plagiarism or other forms of academic dishonesty. Avoid distributing copyrighted material, for instance, and don't reveal upcoming assignments or tests. Selling study materials like modules, flashcards, and study guides that provide broad but insightful information about a subject is the best bet. As they are only supporting study materials, be careful not to present your notes as facts. 2. The website Voices voiceover page. Working as a voiceover talent is a great way to earn money quickly. There is no need for a long-term commitment because the majority of voiceover jobs are project-based. Businesses are constantly looking for new voice actors to narrate audiobooks, commercials, trailers, instructional videos, and audio guides. The amount you make from voiceover jobs depends on your experience, the nature of the project, and the length of the script. Voiceover performers in the US make about $30 per hour on average. However, experienced audiobook voice actors can make up to $200 for each completed hour of reading time. Making a profile on a freelance website like Upwork and answering voiceover job ads directly are two of the simplest ways to get started. Joining freelance websites is a great way to test the waters and evaluate the positions that are available. 1. The website Upwork's voiceover jobs page. Alternatively, join Voices or ACX, which pairs audiobook narrators with authors and voiceover artists with clients. A talented voice actor is versatile and engaging. They have the ability to make any script come to life. A reliable narration style, excellent articulation, and the capacity to voice various characters are essential for audiobooks. Test out sample scripts to determine which market best suits your voice and writing style. A good microphone and recording software must be purchased because producing high-quality audio is essential for this job. Additionally, when recording audio samples, try to reduce background noise. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.